What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be working on the MazdaSpeed 3. As you guys know, the MazdaSpeed 3 is currently being stocked out, as I will be selling it in whenever it's pretty much stocked out. So today we got the stock suspension sitting right here, ready to go, cleaned it up, looks good. The speed's currently sitting on BC Racing coilovers, which we're going to pull out and save for when we get our next speed. You guys, if you guys watched that video and you guys gave a hint, most of you guys got it wrong. It's a MazdaSpeed, but they call it like something else somewhere else. And I also said that I'm going to keep the parts from this speed and put it on that car when we get it, so that should give you a little bit more of a narrow ring. No, it's not a MazdaSpeed Miata. I can't put a 3-inch intake from a MazdaSpeed 3 on a MazdaSpeed Miata, so it's not a MazdaSpeed Miata, but it's still a MazdaSpeed of some sort, and like I said, they call it something else somewhere else. And that might be a little bit delayed because of some laws, but I saw a few of the comments. Some of you guys got it right, and I made sure I hearted those comments. So if you got a heart on your comment, you probably close or you did get it right. I'm joined here by Sammer. We got about 3 hours to do this, so we're gonna see if we can pop it out in at least under two, and I think it should be pretty good to go. I haven't driven the car much since I put the coilovers on, so it really shouldn't be too hard to pull everything off. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started on this hunk of beauty. We're gonna go ahead and do the rears first because I hate doing the rears. The fronts are a lot easier. So I'm gonna head, pop off the rears, and get started with those.
It looks something like this.
Okay, so we finally put the rear suspension in after dealing with some rear shock bottom mount bushings.
Quick. Only like, it took us what, 30 minutes?
Yeah, we're out of time already, so we're pounding through this. We did the rear end all by hand, but now the gun has charged, so we're gonna go ahead, put the rear wheels on. As you guys can see, already monster truck height. And then we're gonna go pound back the front. Front's a lot easier for me to do, and since we have power tools now, we'll whip through it pretty quick. So I guess Sammer's gonna take this side. I'm gonna go ahead and work on the driver's side. I'm gonna be sharing tools. That's always fantastic. Check out the height in the back. It's a little up more right now, but it's still kind of bad. So it's kind of nice, and it'll probably be a lot more comfortable. And the last BC Racing coil is out. So these are going to be cleaned up and pretty much stored. We're going to go ahead and put the stockies in. We'll be on our way. Already done this a lot faster than the rears. And so she's a little high, but it kind of looks weird now, like how it was before. It wasn't too high, but like now it's really high, and it just kind of doesn't look normal. Like this looks normal, this doesn't for some reason, but I mean that's how it is. So it's got a nice set of stock suspension in there, and she's ready to go with suspension. Got to get the sway bars that are in there cut out, put some OEM in there, and then the suspension's done. And then next will pretty much be the exterior accessories and getting a set of chrome badges and taking off the reflector shades and fog light shades and stuff like that. Vent visors too. But other than that, she is going back to the paint shop tonight to get her fenders, fish eyes redone. If you guys saw the fender fix video, and other than that, then she's pretty much on her way. Got to get the stock parts for the motor, and then she'll be good to go and listed and everything, which is quite exciting to get pretty much the most major part done today, which was the suspension. I think it took us about, what, 2 hours? 3 hours? Yeah, so we didn't win, but the rear just kind of shot us in the ass. The front took us like 30 minutes. The front was really easy. So anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave a like on the video and comment down below what you guys think about the poor stock out and monster truck height of Amber. Other than that, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.